So, what do you have planned for the rest of the night?
Run back to the restaurant! Oh, Uriah!
Hey, girly. Here's the deal. You could stop being lightning, or you could watch more people you care about die. Your choice.
Uriah! Uriah! Oh my God!
So lightning, huh? Don't cry. Go. Light up the world.
Why? Why him?
This is all my fault.
No, it's mine. I should have been able to protect him. My powers keep fading on me.
So it's not your emotions.
No, it's something else. Probably the same thing that took everybody's powers is trying to get me again.
Something else I got wrong.
DC, stop. Thanks to you, Uriah and I finally got together.
You was such a good dude.
I know. I know.